If you're trying to solve Rubik's Cube sub 30, then this video will be super recommended to you. So, solving the Rubik's Cube is hard, but when you try it to solve more faster, you might think that it will be super duper hard, but it's the opposite. Trying to solve faster can be easier for you. Number 1. Know exactly how to solve a cube. So, of course you should know how to solve a cube to be sub 30. Not just know how to solve it, you must know which step are you on, what algorithms are you using for different cases, the order of the steps and more. If you don't know one of the things that I taught, you should go back and learn it, and then come back to this video. Now, let's move on to the number 2. Number 2. Increase TPS in algorithms. TPS, which is turns per second, is a very important thing in cubing. So the higher TPS it is, the better it is. So practice increasing your TPS in algorithms because there's no point of learning good algorithms when you turn slower than before. The best way to improve and increase TPS is to practice one of the new algorithms for about 5 minutes a day, trying to turn fast as you can. You might think that, is it only 5 minutes? But practicing for 5 minutes a day can change your TPS in algorithms. Number 3. Muscle memory. Muscle memory is a memory that has muscle. You might think that it is a joke, but it's a real thing. Yeah, believe me. Basically, the muscle memory is when you recognize the case, you do the algorithm without thinking. So, to get a muscle memory of the new algorithm, you first do the algorithms with thinking. So, that's why when you try the algorithm first time, it's slow. Then, as you do more algorithms, your brain knows exactly what to do in a split second. That was just basic knowledge of cubing, so let's move on to the next step. Number 4. Good finger tricks. Before we start number 4, let's look at what finger trick is. It's a trick of fingers when you solve a cube or do the algorithms. The advantage of that is it helps you turn faster. So it's very important thing in cubing. So when you turn with your wrist like this, which a lot of beginners do, is actually very bad finger tricks. It's very bad. You need to fix it. The good finger trick will be like this. There's no grips and it's smoother, so you can turn faster, like this. Number 5. Practice. Practice is so important thing. If you don't know the definition, there. If you want to improve on it, practice. Don't be lazy. Just get Rubik's Cube and practice. You just scramble it, time it, solve it, done. It's easy. You do that more than 30 times every day and you will see improvement. So I think that's the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. See you soon in next video. Don't forget to practice.